This is TCGG Pokemon here with another unboxing. Today we will be unboxing 3 breakthrough packs from GameStop and a Zootopia vinyl figure. Let's start with the vinyl figure. You have a 1 in 12 chance of each of these figurines. They're all from the new movie Zootopia that came out a couple days ago. So let's get to it. These are made by Funko, as you can see right there, and we got them at GameStop today. And let's see who we got. Oh, we got the lion, which is Mayor Lionheart. He's in the movie. Pretty cool. We'll put him to the side right here. Okay. Now let's get to opening up these breakthrough packs. They were $15 at GameStop. And it comes with a Mega Mewtwo coin, not coin, pin, which is pretty cool. You get 3 packs from the set XY Breakthrough. Okay. So let's see. Here are the 3 packs, all Mewtwo artwork. And here's the pin. I'll focus on that. See, I'm having a little bit of trouble focusing. There we go. There's the pin right there. And that's Mewtwo Y. Now let's get to opening up these packs. Okay, first pack. Code card. Okay, first card is a town map. Buddy Buddy Rescue. A Stunfisk, a Cacnea, a Scatterbug, Rufflet, Snover, Swablu, Reverse Foil Cacnea, and for the rare, a Typhlosion. Typhlosion. Okay, second pack, which is a Mega Mewtwo Y pack. Let's see if we can get maybe an ultra rare EX. Okay, first card is a Frogadier, Granbull, Haunter, Noibat, Pikachu, Magnemite, Snubble, Remoraid, Reverse Foil Stunfisk, and for the rare, a Chatot. Chatot rare. Let's see, final pack. See if we can get a ultra rare right here. Code card 1, 2, 3. We have a Staravia, a Frogadier, Haunter, Zorua, Froakie, Snover, Cacnea, Spritzee, Reverse Foil Energy, and for the rare, a Vanilluxe. So no great pulls today, but we did get the figurine from Zootopia, so that's pretty cool. And we'll see you guys next time.